Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilongi khubor bam ta kasngi. Ka sarkar Meghalaya ne kasngi baar kalapan banai ka jingsdang jung ka easylottery.in ka lottery ka nyngkong e jungri India ka brang pura da ka kor digital. Hagani ka jingelang layron lang umintri rangba ka jila korat ki sangma u Pravin Bakshi Commissioner and Secretary ERTS Meghalaya. Ka MSN Marak Director ka Meghalaya State Lottery bat kiwi ki he ki han. Ka website https easylottery.in napan live hakini ka sngi hakaba unong job ubaning kong e onyo ya ka song khusnam ka bakot san klur tyngka ka easylottery.in ka kular banlong ka jingkala hakaliang ka jingay ya ka jingele kai lottery ka bakhot basuba nadu ka jingthiet iki ticket hadu ka jingay khusnam da ka pisa. Easy Lottery ki benta ki bakarpang ka Easy Lottery kan long ka bakarpang ha ka be day ba ka jingyeng scam ha ka mission jong ka jingyele kai lottery ka badon ka jingkit kli. Ya kiru company le kai la penwan ha ka takadur ba kana banlap yo unu ubriu ubla remlen tertat hendrai ba peteng banthiet tiket bunteli man la kapor. Bar kumta on sa pensa nge sha shipor ya ka account le kai ka jangu. Kani kalong penting kana bagi nong thiet kin persyange ka nusip ka jongki ha galenti ka besngan bar ha kabor bar kapor ka babiang reki account ki bajab kin omsha pensange watang shiporu ka jing perkhat ba kongsan kalong bagi nong job ki dei banyo jing mentoi na ki khusnam ki bagi job henrela raja ba kapoi she uput bagi zdang ban pin i ka jing di bu an nya jing kerni ngila ban rung bat yaram ha ka jing persyang ban yada na ka jing penya thong ne ka jing kala ya ka pisa ka Easy Lottery ka pentikna batang unong thiet ka tiket ubajab uday unong yo ka khusnam ringkat bad ka polisi jong ka tiket ka long ba omla ban pin kunria syaki wepan ki tiket dor bad khusnam ha ka jing persyang ban bu nyngkong ki nong song jong kari bad ban thau ya ka lad ban ya job lang na ka benta baro ki nong isim benta ka Easy Lottery ka pentikna ru bagi jingnut jingsam ki bah pedeng ki long gi beren karukom thiet tiket ka airu lai tilikilat ikinong ile kai banjit bagi nong ile kai kinjit ka ei ka bagi sngoya habha yaki habakalong kumne harum option 1 ka jingjit lupa ha ka bayu number ticket ajit lupa da ka system option 2 ka jingjit ka jingkhen baro ha ka ba wei ula banjit udang nadu wei hadu khandai ha ka ba ka jingyulang jungkidak jung number ticket ka longkat kum ki number ka ba kila jit Option 3 ka jingjit ka bapura ka bagi nong thit kini light lut banjit ya number ticket ka bagi kwah ka Easy Lottery kandan kalat ka babun tam ban job iki khusnam bapher ka bakentup iki khusnam bawan nyngkong ka balong san klur tyngka ka bade ka khusnam ka bahetam ha history jungki lottery hagri India ka wei ka ticket ka shong dor san hajar ka balong kham duna shibun bani ki lottery hagri bapher
There is not much to say, but I would really like to congratulate our Directorate of Lottery, our ERTS Commissioner Secretary, for having successfully launched the digital lottery, the online lottery, which is the easylottery.in. And the main purpose really of this is that today we are seeing technology play a very important role in almost every aspect of our lives. हर सेक्टर में आप देखेंगे कि टेक्नोलॉजी का जो यूटिलाइजेशन हो रहा है और जिस तरीके से टेक्नोलॉजी हर सेक्टर में एक तरीके से एक डिसरप्शन फोर्स आज बन रहा है तो हमें लगा कि लॉटरी में भी ये एक गैप एक मार्केट में गैप है जहां पे एक तरीके से ऑनलाइन सिस्टम जो है वो एक अलग तरीके से एक अलग ही मार्केट एक अलग अपॉर्चुनिटी स्टेट के लिए लोगों के लिए और जो कंपनीज इसमें भाग लेंगे सभी के लिए इसमें एक तरीके से टेक्नोलॉजी इंटरवेंशन से एक बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी निकल सकता है, ये हमारा मानना है. So we felt and we strongly feel that technology today has and is playing a very important, crucial role in almost every aspect of our lives. And hence we felt strongly that even in gaming and especially in lottery, there was a huge opportunity for the state government, for the people who want to play, as well as for companies who are involved in this sector to really open up a completely new market and a new, completely new sector in a way to this entire opportunity that is there in front of us. Number two, we strongly felt that this could lead to a large transparency in the system, which is something which to some extent, not to blame anybody, but there could be and there were some doubts that used to come in individuals and people's mind. We feel that technology can help us eliminate those doubts, and we can actually have a more transparent, a more accountable system, and a system that could be in one way would be able to track and keep record of the different activities in one way, and therefore we ensure that the transparency level and the overall monitoring level will go up. So it's a very, very good and a positive way of making this entire sector much more transparent and, as I said, much more accountable, and even the monitoring. And we strongly feel that, as I said, technology can play a very, very important role even in this sector, like it is playing in many, many other sectors. Having said that, we're very happy that we have been able to really push the limit. As you can see, the first prize for the lottery is at 50 crores. At the same time, we are also in a way defining the kind of people who can in a way play in this lottery. So there will be in certain ways a limit that will be set. So we are looking at approximately 260,000 tickets to be there in the draw. And therefore, as I said, all will be online and be very transparent system. And as I said, we are really hopeful that this will really open up a completely new chapter in the entire lottery sector, which we feel for many years has been stagnant in one way, and there has not been any innovation in it. And hence we are very happy that we are leading the way. Let us hope and see, and we are very confident that what we have started today will definitely be a very, very important and a big game changer in this particular sector. तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जो हम लोगों ने आज मेघालय ने जो ऑनलाइन लॉटरी हमने शुरू किया है, हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि ये एक तरीके से इस पूरे सेक्टर को बदल देगा, एक बहुत बड़ा गेम चेंजर होगा। लॉटरी सेक्टर में एक तरीके से अगर देखें तो बहुत सालों से जिस सिस्टम में लॉटरी चल रहा था, उसी सिस्टम में सालों से ये चल रहा है और उसमें कोई बदलाव या कोई इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं आया। तो हमारा ये मानना है कि हमारे इस नए टेक्नोलॉजी के बेसिस पर और इस नए ऑनलाइन सिस्टम के बेसिस पर हम एक अलग ही एक दुनिया और अलग ही नया इसमें हम लोग चैप्टर लॉटरी में हम लोग इसको खोल पाएंगे। ये इस विश्वास से हम लोग आगे चल रहे हैं और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि ये एक पूरा गेम चेंजर होगा। और एक बार फिर मैं हमारे जो ERTS के सारे ऑफिशियल्स